As the wearing of masks, washing of hands, and the keeping of the 6-foot distance become even more essential in the past few days, health officials are yet to announce any plans to reinstitute the curfew restriction. In speaking to people on the streets of St. George's on their thoughts of COVID-19 and how the country should deal with it, here are some of their responses.
You have to learn to live with COVID, and people should try and take the vaccine. That is the two things I should advise, I take my vaccine. You understand? So, and COVID here to stay, so you have to learn to live with it.
Well, we have to learn to live with it because we are not obeying. Because I had a funeral yesterday and it was overwhelming. What I would like to see, people obey the instructions and then we'll go better. Because we doesn't know much. Because all we're hearing and the news, whether it's false or real, you're saying so much things on Facebook and all these things, so it confuses people. So we have to follow the people who is in charge and follow the rules.
Because I think it's something that we have to live with. I think COVID is going to be something we have to live with. So I'm not sure if those measures would change anything as such, maybe in a short-term period, but what about the long term? So at this point, I'm not sure.
While some of the persons airing their views agreed that people should learn to live with the virus as it is here to stay, others believe some level of restriction should be implemented.
Yes, I would like to have the curfew to keep down the increase of the COVID. That will help. That's okay, that will help.
As they say, you're here to stay, so we don't have a choice. We have to learn to live with it. But the way developing rapidly now, we have to watch that. I find the ministry should look into it.
We have to learn to live with COVID, but the tighter restrictions has to be made because people are becoming very careless.
In a way, we have to learn to live with it, but in another way, there should be some restrictions, especially persons traveling in and out. But we also have to, like the person, as they say, it's the new norm, so we have to learn to live with it and work around it.
Cabinet meets weekly to discuss the plans of the country, with the next meeting scheduled for Monday, the day of the full reopening of schools nationwide. For GBN News, I am Rena Pett Thomas reporting.